So if you find yourself using the same logos, images on a regular basis, try using libraries in Adobe. They're pretty much all across the board. I use Premiere Pro, Illustrator, and Photoshop. But for example, this full image right here, if I go Shift Control Alt E and make a stamp, I can literally drag this over into a group. It's going to ask me to save it. So now I can actually go and use this anywhere. So if I went to Illustrator and I'm working on something and I go into miscellaneous, I actually can drag it into whatever I'm working on there. You can create new groups, whatever. I do it with logos. So for example, when I'm doing thumbnails, I'll actually take, let's say I want to do this. I can grab the whole thing, drag it over. Now it's in Illustrator. It was created in Illustrator. But if I come over to Photoshop and open this, it's right here. I can bring this in if I wanted to. Or for me, I always use a logo. I'll bring my logo in. I can reposition it. I can do whatever I want. I can resize it. It comes in as a smart object. And it comes in handy because I can have a lot of things that I use on a regular basis. For example, in the diecast community, I do a lot of customs, so I like to have logos. Go create group. I can call this diecast logos. And then I've already got some kind of set up here. I can just drag this over. I can drag this over. Like so. And then any image I want, if I'm creating my thumbnail, I can just say, okay, I'm working on Hot Wheels today. And then I can resize it. Let's say the other car is a Johnny Lightning. Same thing, I can resize it. It just makes life easier. I don't have to keep hunting around to do different things and find all these designs. They're all in one spot. So if you think about it, try using your libraries if you use Photoshop.